Do you dream of creating, repairing, or crafting like a pro? Wish you had the right tools to realize your ideas? Hotery's range of power tools. Welding torch, hot glue gun, hot air gun, soldering gun turns you into a DIY master. Tired of flimsy tools holding you back? Hotery's welding guns deliver professional-grade power to tackle tough metalworking projects. Our hot glue guns create an unbreakable bond, perfect for repairs, crafting, and endless creative possibilities. Heat gun, precisely controlled heat to strip paint, shrink wrap, or dry delicate materials. Soldering iron, easily make reliable electrical connections for amateurs and professionals alike. All Hotely tools are safe and reliable, certified with ISO 9001 and CPSC certifications, giving you peace of mind. The simple design makes it easy to operate regardless of your skill level. Hotery, award-winning innovation and trusted by manufacturers around the world. From DIY enthusiasts to seasoned craftsmen, we inspire your creativity. Visit our website to explore the Hotery difference and ignite your inner maker.